Hello, today I'm in Ford F150. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Thanks to this panel we can navigate through speedometer display. Then, the panel right here allows us to enable and disable speed limiter and manage it. The panel right here allows us to answer calls and calls, enable voice assistant and mute the radio. Next we've got the panel right here, thanks to which we can manage the radio, increase or decrease volume, change radio station or source. Of course, if you press in the middle of the steering wheel, you will use horn. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.